First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap App Management. Then tap App List. Now find Instagram in the list. Tap Instagram. Then tap Manage Notifications. Here you will see the different notification options for Instagram. Look for the notification category related to Instagram calls. Tap on that category. Now look for the ringtone option. Tap on it. You will now see the available sounds on your phone. Select the sound that you want to use for Instagram calls. Once you select the sound, go back to the previous screen. The new sound will now be saved for that Instagram notification category. That's it. This is how you can change the ringtone for Instagram calls on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.